Look, if you're running a Shopify store or a WooCommerce business, you might be struggling to update your inventory every day. And I get it. I've seen this with multiple clients of ours. People jumping from dashboard to dashboard, changing one single product in 3 different places. To be honest, it's a total waste of time. And today, I'll show you how you can manage your products from just a Google Sheet. I mean, in every stores, in every dashboard, you change a single thing in your sheet that will be changed in every stores of yours. And yeah, I'm giving away the exact Google Sheet that we have made earlier for our clients for absolutely free. Without wasting any more time, let's jump into the screen. So here's what we built. A Google Sheet that actually talks to your e-commerce store, not just viewing it, it also updates your product in real time. On a side note, I'm going to use WooCommerce for this video, but if you are on Shopify, don't worry. Just drop a comment and I'll make a dedicated video for that too. Now watch this. I added a product here, click sync, and it's live on all your websites. Want to change something? Update the price? It updates everywhere. Delete it, gone from all the store. Easy, right? One sheet, multiple stores, and you're done. No more jumping between dashboards. Okay, so how does it actually work? There are 3 things. First one, Google Sheet. Google Sheet is your main inventory hub. Everything happens here. The second one is WooCommerce or Shopify store. It just receives the data from the API and updates it. Third one is Google Apps Script. This is the code that connects the Google Sheet with the store. And it runs on Google server, that's why it's completely free. For your better reference, this is a simple diagram how the code is actually working behind it. When you hit sync, the script reads your sheet and then compares it with what's on your store already and pushes only the changes. Pretty straightforward, right? The cool part is you don't need to learn any code or pay any hosting fee. The Google handles all of that. Let me show you how you can use it. Got a demo here, completely empty right now. Now I'm adding a new product in it. Name, description, price, stock, nothing fancy. Now I hit sync. After the sync, the system automatically generates the ID. And check this out, they're all live. All the products are on your website with exactly the same details that you have entered. Need to change the price? Easy. Change them here, sync again, and done. The website updates it instantly. See this second sheet called synced inventory? This is where the system keeps track of what's currently on your store. You don't touch this. This is just how the system knows what has been changed. Setting this up is actually 5 minutes of work. It's that easy. First, grab your sheet from the description, make a copy to your Google Drive, and then go to the extension, App Script, and you'll see some code here. Now wait, you don't need to panic. You just need to change only 2 lines. Now open another tab for the WooCommerce admin. Go to the settings, then advanced, then select REST API, create a new key. Now you'll see consumer key and a consumer secret. Now copy those consumer key and the secret to your API key and API secret. You also need to paste your store URL here. This whole process was for WooCommerce store. If you need this for Shopify store as well, let me know, comment down below and I'll make another video. Now this is the basic version, which gets the job done for most of the people. But if you're looking for something more specific into it, like vendor syncing, low stock alert, or custom pricing rules, that's what we do for our clients. If you're also looking for something specific like that, you can always contact us. Alright, here's the deal. The link to the Google Sheet is in the description. You can use it for free. No sign up, no strings attached. Download it and use it. If this saves even an hour of your week, this all efforts will be worth it. And if you want to connect with us for any support, any problem you're facing, there's a link below in the sheet. You can always book an appointment from there. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe. We always come up with multiple automation that actually works in real life. If you have any questions about this, you can always drop that in comment section and I'll reply to them. In the next video, I'll talk about how you can manage your passwords for your business and not to share them in WhatsApp or spreadsheet. Yes, I know you're doing that. We'll talk about different kinds of password management softwares, and in case if you don't trust them with your data, I'll also tell you how you can host your own password management software and use it for your business. Thanks for watching.